Hi everybody. Well, today we are going to know what happens when water freezes instantly when you heat a bottle just out of the freezer. Okay, this is because the liquid in the bottle is super cooled. The temperature of the liquid is below its normal freezing point, but the liquid has still not turned it into a solid. That is because it needs something to kickstart the freezing process and encourage the small molecules of the liquid to get together in a regular arrangement, as they do in a crystal, instead of moving around independently as they do in the liquid. Okay, the process is called nucleation, and the kickstart can be given in a piece of dust, a broad spot on the surface of the container, or a shockwave generated when we heat the bottle just when it gets out of the freezer. The bottles that I use were from 2 3 hours. They need to be in the liquid. You need to handle it very carefully because, as I already told you, if you hit it like little hard, they're going to start the cooling process. Oh, this is a fun trick, and you can do it with mom and dad. I hope you do it and make the experiment. And if you have any video or photos, you can send them. That will give you extra winnings. Okay, so have a lot of fun with these experiments, and there are bloopers after those videos. Okay, see you. Bye. Hello everybody. I have a new experiment for you. I hope this time it works. We have a lot of bloopers. So if you come closer, and you can see this is a bottle with water inside, a pure water bottle, and it was in the fridge for around 3 hours. So it's okay over here, so they can see the effect. So when I hit it, actually it's going to turn to ice. Okay, just watch carefully. Look. How cool is it? Oh my god, that's super cool. Well, I'm going to do another experiment and put it both together and explain both of them. Okay. We're going to try this again. Here we have ice. Here we have a bottle of water. As you can see, is water. Let me take out this little condensation so you can see it's just water. It's very cold water. It's been in the fridge for around 3 hours, 2.5. So we are going to pour some water in the ice and see what happens. Oh, look. You see it?
Magic.
It's magic. Oh my god, what is happening? It's super magic, super cool. Actually, it's cool.
It's science.
It's science. Oh, cool. Let's see.
Because science is cool.
Always. Oops.
Well, it's going to pull out.
Oh, I need to clean later.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? Super cool. And it's water. And also, I think if I hit it, I'm going to throw this on ice. Okay. Let's try it again. You see it? You can see it?
Yep.
Cool. So let's make a hit here. Oh, that doesn't work. Cut! Oh no, there it goes. You
Yep.
see there?
Yeah, it's ice.
It's going there.
Yep.
Going there. And it's all nice.
Amazing.
Well, thank you so much. I hope you like it, and we are going to make some more videos for you. Keep safe, have a lot of fun, and see you later. And I hope this will work. If I hit it very hard, then I will turn it to ice. Let's see if it happens. And also we have a little panda here. She loves pandas. I love pandas too. Okay, 1, 2, 3. He
Oh my god. Doesn't work.